Air is one of the most precious resources we have, but today it's under threat. And when we talk about air pollution, one invisible enemy comes up again and again, and that is PM 2.5. So let's break this down. What is PM 2.5? What causes it? And why is it so harmful to our health and environment? First, what exactly is PM 2.5? PM 2.5 stands for particulate matter smaller than 2.5 microns in diameter. To give you perspective, that's about 1 by 20th the thickness of a human hair. Because these particles are so tiny, they can bypass your nose hairs, slip past your body's natural filters, and reach deep into your lungs, sometimes even entering your bloodstream. Unlike the larger PM10 dust, which usually gets trapped higher up in your respiratory system, PM 2.5 goes further. That's what makes it very dangerous. So, where does PM 2.5 come from? Some of it comes from natural processes like dust storms or sea salt particles. But the bigger problem is human activity. These are two ways PM 2.5 is formed. First is direct emissions. Things like fossil fuel burning, vehicle exhaust, biomass burning, and waste incineration. Indirect emissions like gases like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, and ammonia, which react in the air under sunlight to form fine particles. And don't forget indoors like cigarette smoke, cooking fumes, innovation dust, even pet dander all contribute to PM 2.5 levels inside home. Now, the most important question is, what are the harmful effects of PM 2.5? This is where it gets serious. On health, countless studies shows that the direct links between PM 2.5 exposure and asthma, cardiovascular disease, even lung cancer. Cities with PM 2.5 pollution report up to 15% higher lung cancer risk compared to the cleaner cities. On US study found that for every 10 micrograms per cubic meter increases in PM 2.5 average, blood pressure rose by 8.6 mmHg. Another showed heart disease mortality went up to by 20%. In simple terms, the smaller the particle, the bigger the damage. On weather, PM 2.5 also plays a role. These particles act as condensation nuclei. Too many in the sky can disturb rainfall patterns, reduce cloud brightness, and even trigger extreme downpours. So, PM 2.5 is not just pollution, it's health hazard and climate factor. The key takeaway is clear. PM 2.5 may be invisible, but its impact is everywhere. From the air you breathe to diseases we see in hospital to the weather patterns we experience, and that's why monitoring, controlling emissions, and reducing PM 2.5 is not just an environmental duty, it's human survival priority. If you want more simplified insights on air quality and industrial sustainability, follow along. Let's make this invisible visible and take action together. Thank you so much.